In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view orders, subscriptions, payments, and receipts in the Wix Owner app. First, open the Wix Owner app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're connected to a reliable internet source so everything refreshes properly. If you manage more than one website in your account, you'll see a list. Tap Site to choose the specific site you want to work with. This ensures that everything you're about to check, like orders or payments, reflects the correct business. Once your site opens, you'll land on the dashboard. Along the bottom of the screen, look for the navigation bar and tap Manage. Think of Manage as your control center, It's where the key tools for running your site and store live. If you don't see it right away, swipe the bottom navigation left or right until Manage appears. Inside Manage, tap Sales. This takes you into the Sales Hub, which collects all your store's transaction-related information in one place. It's designed to help you monitor what's coming in, what's recurring, and what's been recorded for your records. At the top, you'll find a drop-down menu. Use this to choose exactly what you want to look at: orders, subscriptions, payments, or receipts. Each option serves a different purpose. Orders shows you a list of customer purchases, along with status indicators like paid, fulfilled, or pending. It's helpful for tracking what needs attention and confirming that everything is moving along as expected. Subscriptions is where you'll see recurring plans or memberships tied to your site. It's useful for keeping an eye on renewal dates and the health of your recurring revenue. Payments gives you a snapshot of funds processed through your store, including amounts and dates associated with your payment provider. This is great for reconciling what has been paid out and spotting any irregularities. Finally, Receipts displays records suitable for your bookkeeping and reference. This view is helpful when you're organizing finances or sharing documentation with your accountant. Throughout these views, you may notice search, filter, or sort options near the top. These are there to help you narrow down results by date, status, or other details, especially when your list gets long. If something doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh and a stable connection usually resolve it. And that's it. By opening the app, tapping Site, heading to Manage, selecting Sales, and choosing the view you need from the dropdown, you can quickly find the information that keeps your business running smoothly.